So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Rubiks Cube app. So now let's get started. So here you can able to see the design. So there's one horizontal arrangement and there's one label that has the timer. Means if it completes 1 minute, here it will come 0 from 1. It completes 2 minutes, here it will 2. And this is the part. And these are the seconds. Okay, this is the vertical arrangement. This I have added because to the 3D will be the cube will be in 3D, so that will become over here. And the clock and the notifier and the button reset. Now let's go to blocks to understand the coding. The blocks. So this when screen initializes, when our app is open, it will be set up, means automatically in 2 to 5 seconds the Rubik's cube will become in the vertical arrangement. Okay, and it will be editable, means we do not solve the cube now like this, that all. Then the timer will enable when the screen will open, and the cubes will be editable. And then a button, when it's clicked, it will move a sequence, means the unscrambled cube. Yeah, we have to solve it. Okay, so that I have to solve, and it has how many random views? 1. Means here 1 means many. Okay, means still it goes very hard. 1 means. And apply move sequence, it will move till stand the move sequence without animation. Okay, so here when the cube will solve, so there will be a notification that you have solved the cube. Okay, and here's one image and full screen will be false. So there is a notifier. When the notification will come, the timer will be stopped and the screen will be closed and the text will be okay. And this is the timer. If it is not let's label 3, this is the seconds label 3. Okay, label 3. So if it is not 6:59, let it get plus. But if it gets 660, you know that 1 minute has 60 seconds. So when it has 60, it should plus in the label 1. Okay, it should plus here. Here it will get 60, right? So here it should get plus. Okay, so that's why we added 1 plus. Okay, so that much is the code, very simple code. And in the description box there's our AI file, you can download it. Okay, and see you in the next video soon. Till bye bye.